Yep, got her back on the feet, off the jack stands. Yep, took it for a ride down the road, around the yard. Engine runs good, transmission shifts perfect, no oil leaks, no water leaks, no gas leaks, no leaks. Imagine that. So yeah, everything working out great. Got a few little issues. One is the rear springs are too weak. So it bottoms out when it hit a bump. So I'm at to stiffen up the rear springs with some bigger springs or add some helper springs. That's no problem. Just a matter of getting to it to do it. I got these adapters for these 21-inch wheels. Yeah, I went ahead and bought me a couple 21-inch Model A Ford wheels and some adapters because the wheels are 5 by 5.5 and my spindles there are 5 by 4.5. And one of them straight, this one here, I don't know, it's I don't know if you see that. That was a little bit out of round, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm sure antique shop up in Tennessee could probably straighten that wheel out. I don't know, I'm gonna probably put a tire on it, try it, but I'm sure it's gonna bounce. So these wheels are not that expensive. I mean, for new ones they are about $450 a piece, new. So I might pick up another used one, see if I can get another straight one. This one here is straight. This one here, not so much. Another thing, I had the adapter was 1.5 inches, so the wheel stuck out there pretty good. Got the brake rotor caliper sticking out there, but I ain't worried about that too much. The front end, it's gonna be a little bit wider. I think it's 60.5. Gonna be 60.5, center to center of the tire in the front, like 59, something in the back. I don't know, it's gonna be the front's gonna be a little wider with that. But what's gonna pay off is the profile look of it when I get those tires and wheels on the front and get those torque thrust D wheels with them pie crust cheater slits on the back. It's gonna look good. The profile is gonna look great with that. So I might have to sacrifice a little drivability for looks. We're gonna see. But I got options. I can put either wheels on the front right now. But I'm gonna put these. I'll put these here on the front to stress test it, and if everything goes out good, I'm gonna probably move forward on getting these wheels like I want them. I had to put a 1/2 inch spacer under the carburetor because it was some of the linkage there was hitting the manifold. It wouldn't open, the throttle wouldn't open up all the way. I've been doing some minor stuff, but nothing worth videoing. But the good news is, it runs good, drives good. I'm talking about it straight, drives straight down the road. You can let off the steering wheel, it goes straight. Steers good, rides good, drives good. The only problem is the rear springs are too weak. It bottoms out and back. Other than that, it done real good. Yeah, I'm waiting on some parts to build my air breather. so I borrowed the one out of 454 Rat Recon. Yeah, because I don't want no rock flying off the tire up in the air and falling down in that carburetor going down the road. So yeah, something to keep the rocks out of it anyway. It's a good thing those headers look cool, because man, it sounds like a log truck. Sounds like a log truck with them open headers. It really does. I don't like the sound of it too much. So I'm gonna come down here up under the car, over the rear end, and go all the way out the back. Put some mufflers, like some turbo mufflers, somewhere back in there. I probably had to make my own mufflers, but yeah. The problem is that my master cylinder is right there between the door and the frame. I can't run a pipe through there where I need to. So what I'm probably gonna do is relocate the master cylinder up in the cowl here. It's gonna be a kind of a tight fit up in there with the steering box and all that in there, but I think I got room for it. So that'll be a future thing after I get all the other little bugs out of it, get the rear suspension working right. But yeah, I'm gonna have to move the master cylinder, because I'm gonna put I want exhaust out the back, so I can drive it without wearing earplugs. It don't, like I said, it sounds like a log truck anyway. It don't sound real cool with them open pipes. Yeah, so there's that. Yeah, I told you guys before, I'm not a transmission builder, automatic transmission builder, so this one was successful. First ride down the road, shift perfect, don't leak oil, everything works great. So yeah, I'm proud of my transmission rebuild on this turbo 350 here. Hey, I might get good at it one day and do a how to rebuild a turbo 350 transmission, who knows. What else? That's about it. Except for the weather. It's about to get bad here today and tomorrow. And then after that, it's gonna be cold for several days, so I probably won't be getting a lot done over the next week or so. So yeah, there's that. All right, appreciate you.